Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Agriculture with Sami once again. So guys, in this video we'll be learning about one more important part of agriculture, that is tillage. So what do you mean by the word tillage? Tillage was the word which was coined by Jethro Tull, scientist Jethro Tull, and it's a very important, or we can call it as the very primary thing of agricultural field. So tillage, we can define it as tillage is the mechanical manipulation of the soil with tools and implements to provide an ideal condition for seed growth, seed germination, and economic yield. So let me write the definition for you. Like, it is the mechanical manipulation of the soil with certain tools and implements to create an ideal condition or growing environment for plant growth. Okay, so guys, this is the manipulation of the soil. So why do we make some manipulations in the soil? So there is a need of manipulation of the soil, or we can say the objectives of this manipulation or tillage in the soil, tillage practices is it provides a better seed growing conditions. Okay, it provides better seed growing conditions. It helps in better seed germination. It helps in providing more amount of aid to the soil. It increases the aeration capacity of the soil. It also increases the water holding capacity of the soil. As the soil breaks down, the macro and micro particles can absorb more amount of water, and it helps in maintaining the moisture capacity or the moisture around the soil. So this moisture can be utilized in growing more number of crops in an agricultural year. And coming to one more objective of tillage is to mix the fertilizers or the pesticides or any type of organic materials that have been applied to the soil. So with the mechanical manipulation of the soil with certain tools, so we can use different tools like country plow, moldboard plow, disc plow, harrows, cultivators, rotavators. So these implements may be mechanical or may be hand used like star weeder. So these instruments helps in loosening the soil, breaking the soil, making the soil fine for the plant growth and plant stand, and for making the nutrient availability better, water holding capacity more better for the soil, and making the soil much fertile for the plant growth and development, and getting a good yield in the agricultural sector. So tillage is also of different types. Okay, so there are different types of tillage. Like, one is on-season tillage. So what is this on-season tillage? On-season tillage is the tillage done just before the growing of the crops, or during the sowing of the seeds, we can say. So if we are doing the tillage or mechanical manipulation of the soil just before the crop growth, then it is called on-season tillage. So on-season tillage is also three types, like primary tillage, secondary tillage, and tertiary tillage. So primary tillage is the process by which the soil is just broken down. The soil is stirred down with certain implements like country plow or moldboard plow. We use certain plows, a desi plow, we can say, we can use to break the soil. This is primary tillage. Secondary tillage is making the soil or the clods, breaking the clods with certain instruments, mechanical instruments or power driven instruments. We have to break the soil. Coming to the tertiary tillage. What is tertiary tillage? Tertiary tillage is the form, or we can say it is the preparation of the seed bed, that is leveling of the soil. So with the leveling of the soil, we can prepare the tertiary tillage. Okay, so this is the types of tillage or on-season tillage, we can say, which is very beneficial for us in making the soil more efficient or creating a good environment in the soil for plant growth. Coming to the next one, that is the secondary tillage. Sorry, it's not secondary tillage. Coming to the second one is one on-season tillage and one is post cultivation tillage or post preparatory tillage. So this tillage is done, as the name suggests, we have to do it during the crop growth. So this post cultivation tillage helps in decreasing the weed growth in the particular crop field. It helps in the better mixing of the fertilizers with the soil and making the nutrient availability or increasing the nutrient availability for the plants to grow better. So this is about on-season tillage and post-cultivation tillage. So tillage is the most efficient practice being done in all the farmlands all over the country. So which helps in increasing the soil capacity or the increasing the efficiency of the soil in proper plant growth. So guys, this is all about the video. Thank you for watching with patience. Keep liking, sharing, and